Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog. I'm gearing up to go to yoga. My husband recently installed some saddlebags, the Viking bags on my bike. The one thing I've been wanting to do is obviously travel, but I've been wanting to really ride my bike to yoga. I don't know why, it's just this idea that I've always had in my head, and I was already able to ride my bike to work the other day, so I figured yoga would be the next step. I'm really only bringing two things, and one is my hot yoga towel, and it's this thing. It's about the size and length of a yoga mat. Basically, I just go to the studio, I ask to borrow one of their mats, and then I cover it with this towel, so that way I don't have to sweat all over their studio mat. And then I'm going to bring a pair of leggings. These are really light, and I'm just going to change my pants in their bathroom, but my shoes I can change outside. I have a pair of sandals that I'm going to bring with me so I can tuck my shoes into the bags, my jacket into the bag, and then just basically bring a tote with this stuff and my helmet, because I still don't want to leave my helmet out on my bike. So yeah, I'm gonna finish putting everything in the saddlebags, and then obviously get geared up because I should be leaving right around now. Obviously giving myself like half hour of a cushion. So anyways, let's get going. Shit. Yep, definitely go get gas. Please make it, please make it, please make it, please make it. Just so this house over here. So once my bike gave out a second time, I was able to call my husband, and he reminded me that we have a reserve fuel tank on the bike or something like that. And so I turned the switch on, and it was able to give me enough gas to get to my next gas station. Was able to refuel, made it home safely, no issues. And at the end of the day, that's all that really matters. But aside from that small mishap, the day was beautiful. The ride was great. Got to ride through some really awesome places. Like this clip right now is me riding through downtown Riverside, which I absolutely adore. Lots of great places to eat and sightsee. And aside from that, can't complain. Hope you guys have a safe ride, and hope to see you in my next video.